Hey Siri, what are the worst type of gamers?
The worst type of gamers are the ones that cheat and use aimbot or hacks.
Oh, definitely. If you cheat, you have no life.
Then we have the guy blaming everyone on his team for losing while he sits at the bottom of the scoreboard.
Oh, I know a friend like that. It's so annoying.
Then there's the one that complains about people stealing his kills.
That's also super annoying.
Lastly, there's the one that is so good at the game, people mistake him as the pro. Which one are you?
I'm definitely the pro gamer.
No, you're the bot.
What?
You couldn't hit your shots if your life depended on it.